Welcome to the Recon Trader. In today's video, I will share with you the results of the Quadency crypto trading grid bot I deployed just around 7 days ago, and it is utilizing a MACD strategy to buy and sell Ethereum. Now, before we get too far into the weeds, if you're not familiar with Quadency, it is a trading platform that allows you to connect up to 13 different exchanges to their trading terminal. So you can actually trade through their terminal without having to jump from each individual exchange. In addition to, they offer 12 different automated trading bots, and that's what we'll be looking at the results of today, is one of those trading bots. Now you might be wondering, what type of investment does it take to get started? Well, we'll take a look at the pricing real quick. And you can see the very first plan they offer is free. That's right, $0. Or the plan I'll actually be trading on today is the Pro plan. But they give you an option to get this Pro plan for free, anywhere from 3 to 6 months, simply by connecting a qualifying exchange like Binance, KuCoin, and there's a couple other exchanges that once you connect them to the platform through your API keys, they will upgrade you to the Pro plan for free for 3 to 6 months. So I will leave a link in the description down below so you can take advantage of that opportunity to get the Pro plan for free. And with that all being said, in reality, the bot I deployed today, you could actually be on the free account and deploy this bot as well. Now that's enough jaw-jacking. Let's get to the actual bot and its performance. So after you have joined the Quadency platform from your dashboard, you could actually jump over to bots through the menu up here at the top of the screen and click on bots, and that'll jump you over to the bots dashboard. Now, in order to find available bots that you can deploy, you would just click over here on the left menu bar where it says available bots. And you will find a variety of different bots from the market maker. They've got a grid trading bot. The bot we deployed today, however, is the MACD. And the strategy behind their MACD bot, it is fairly simple, as a buy signal occurs when the MACD line crosses above the signal line, and a sell signal occurs when the MACD line crosses below the signal line. Now, if you're not familiar with the MACD indicator and what it actually looks like on a chart, we'll jump over to a chart real quick. And another benefit of joining the Quadency platform is you also get access to TradingView charts, which is the charting software I actually use. And what I mentioned earlier is the bot is triggered by this blue line, the MACD line, crossing above this orange line or the signal line, and that will trigger a buy. And so I'll blow this up so you can get a little better view of what the bot is actually looking at. It's looking for this blue line, which is the MACD line, to cross above this orange line, which is your signal line. And when that occurs, that will trigger a buy signal. And then when the opposite happens, when this blue line runs up and then eventually rolls over and crosses down, this MACD line crosses through the orange line, the signal line. This would be your sell signal. And you can see even back here, we get a buy and a little higher sell signal. And right now, we're actually in a position where we have bought on this cross. And right now, ETH is running up. And so you can see this little green arrow as my entry point. It's a little tough to see. But if we entered on this candle, we've run up probably close to 6% so far just on this move. And at any time that the MACD line rolls over and crosses through the signal line, it will sell and close that position. And I guess that ruler was a little off. I'm actually up about 8% on this current position. Now, if we look at the overall results, I actually deployed this bot on January 29th, 2021. Today is February 8th, 2021. So it's been a week. And the bot has returned a profit of around 26%. Now, I do have an open position, so I have some unrealized P&L. But at the moment as it stands, I am up over 26%. That would be a profit of $132 on a $500 investment. So at the moment, the bot is definitely winning the battle. Now I can share the parameters of this bot with you by clicking on the parameters tab, and you'll see I named it MACD Cross The exchange I'm using is KuCoin, which is my KuCoin account. I'm trading ETH USDT. And if we scroll down, you can see the starting capital was $500. The candle time frame was 1 hour. My MACD slow period was 52. My MACD fast period was 24. And the MACD signal period was 12. Now the defaults are typically 26, 12, and I believe 9. And I did a ton of backtesting before I deployed the bot, but it is important to note that backtesting results don't guarantee future results. But with the 52, 24, 12, that saw the best performance, so then I deployed the bot to live fire. Now, if you missed the video where I configured and deployed this bot, I will leave a link in the description down below as well. And with that being said, now would actually be a good time to shoot that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos. I will be doing update videos on this bot's performance as well. And so you might want to smash that notification button so you'll find out when those update videos are released in the future. And I think that pretty much wraps it up. I just wanted to do a quick video, give you guys an update on how this bot is performing. And so if you like this video, do me a favor and spike a like. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave those in the comment section down below. And I will leave a link to Quadency in the description down below. And in closing, remember, never send your money into battle without first doing your recon. See you in the next video.